First of all, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, we will discuss about percentage, what is percentage, its formula, percentage conversion and some word problems also. Now let's discuss about what is percentage. Its name signifies percent, that means 1 by 100. You should multiply a number by 1 by 100 or you can divide a number by simply 100. Suppose let's take an example 20%. That means 20 by 100. How you eliminate? Just eliminating the zeros. After that divide the number. What you get? 1 by 5. That means 20% of a number is 1 by 5. Now let's discuss about the formulas of percentage. How to calculate percentage. Percentage is equals to value upon total value multiplied by 100. So let's take an example. Suppose we have 10 apples out of which 4 are ripened. So we have to calculate how much percentage of apples are ripened. Number of apples ripened is equals to 4 and total number of apples is equals to 10. As the formula signifies, value is 4 out of which total value is 10 and we have to calculate the percentage of ripened apples. Eliminate the 0 from the end and now simply multiply. 4 multiplied 10, that is 40%. That means 40% of apples are ripened. Now let's discuss about percentage to fraction conversion. Let's take some examples. Suppose you have to calculate 100% of any number. 100% means 100%. As you can write 100 multiply 1 by 100. Eliminate the number of zeros and then simply multiply the numbers. It signifies that 100% of any number is 1. Now let's take another example. 50%. 50% of any number means 50 multiply 1 by 100. Eliminate the number of zeros as we did earlier. 5 multiply 1 is 5 divided by 10. Simply cut them with the table of 5. That is 1 upon 2. That means 50% of any number is its half. Now take another example, that is 20%. If you have to calculate 20% of any number, that means 20 multiply 1 by 100. The number can be anything that signifies 1 here. 20 upon 100. Eliminate the number of zeros. The rest number is 2 by 10 divided 1 by 5. Now move to our another topic, that is fraction to percentage. How to convert fraction to percentage. Suppose they give you a fraction, that is 1 by 2. You have to convert it into percentage. That means you have to multiply it by 100. Then simply multiply it 100 by 2 and then divide it. That is 50%. 1 by 2 of any number is 50% of its number. Now comes to another number. Suppose 1 by 4 into 100. That is 100 by 4. That is eliminated by 25%. Let's take some more examples of that. Suppose they give you 1 by 6 of 100. These values comes in decimal. Now let's discuss some word problems related to percentage. In a basket that contains only apples and oranges, there are a total of 100 fruits. If 46% of the fruits are apples, find the percentage of oranges in the basket. So as they given that the total fruits are 100. Total fruits is equals to 100%. Number of apples in percentage is equals to 46%. We have to find the number of oranges. So number of oranges is equals to total fruit minus number of apples. Total fruit is 100% and number of apples is 46%. When we subtract 46 from 100, we get 54%. That means number of oranges is 54%. Now comes to another word problem. That is 30% of the book in Aaron's cupboard have a green cover and 13% of them have a brown cover. The rest are uncovered. So find the percentage of uncovered books. So as given in the question, green cover is 13%. 30%. And brown cover is 13%. And total cover book is, total means 100%. Everything is 100 in respect to itself. So if we have to calculate the uncovered books, how can we calculate? Simple. Total cover minus addition of these two. Green cover plus brown cover. Total is 100% minus green cover is 30% plus brown cover is 13%. According to BODMAS, first we have to solve the bracket. 100% is equals to 30 plus 13 is 43%. And when you subtract 43% from 100, you get 57%. Let's discuss a new example. There are 120 students in a class. Out of them, 60 students are girls. Find the percentage of girls in the class. So that first write what is given is total number of students. That is 120. Out of them, 60 students are girls. That means number of girls is equals to 60. So we have to calculate the percentage of girls. So do you guys remember the formula of percentage? That is value divided by total value multiplied by 100. Value is 60 and total value is 120. Multiply 100. Simply eliminate the zeros. What is left? 6 multiply 100 divided by 12. Eliminate it by 2 is 100 divided by 2. 50%. That means percentage of girls in our class is 50%. Let's discuss this example. Bob scored 18 out of 20. So what is the Bob score as a percentage? Bob scored 18 and total score is 20. So we need to find the score in percentage. The formula of percentage is value upon total value multiply 100. Now put the values. Value is 18 and total value is 20. Multiply 100. Solve it. Eliminate the zeros. What is left? 18 multiplied 10 divided by 2. In table of 2, how many times 18 comes? 9. 9 multiplied 10 is 90%. Okay? Yes. What is 75% of 20 equals to? As it signifies, write the same thing. 75% of 20 means 75% with 1 upon 100. Of means multiply and then 20. Divide it, simple. 75 multiply 20 divided by 100. In table of 25, how many times 75 comes? 3. And what about 100? 4. In table of 4, how many times 20 comes? 5. So what is left? 3 and 5 with a multiplication sign, that is 50. Now let's take one more example related to previous problem. That is 15% of 50. 15% of 50. That is 15 divided by 100 multiply 50. Now eliminate the number of zeros. 0 to 0 and 5 to 2. What is that? 15 by 2. When you divide it, you get 7.5. Let's learn an interesting fact about percentage. That is, A% of B is always equals to B percentage of A. What does that mean? Suppose 20% of 10 is always equals to 10% of 20. Let's calculate and check. 20 divided by 100 multiply 10. What is 0 to 0? 0 to 0. That is 2. Now check with this. 10 divided by 100 multiply 20. 0 to 0. 0 to 0. That is 2. See? Now discuss this example. There are 150 people present in a cinema hall. The number of men are 80 and the number of women are 70 in the hall. Calculate the percentage of women present in the hall. So first we write the given values. Total number of people present is 150. Out of which number of men is 80 and number of women is 70. So we have to calculate the percentage of women. So we don't need to calculate and think about the men. So to calculate the percentage of women, we are just focusing about the values of women. Do you guys remember about the formula of percentage? That is value upon total value into 100. Value is 70 because we have to calculate the percentage of women. 70. Out of which total value? Total value is 150. Percentage means multiply by 100. Eliminate the 0. So what is left? 7 multiply 100 divided by 15. So how can we divide it? We can write 15 as 70 multiply 100 and 3 multiply 5. Right? So now we can simply divide 100 by 5. That is 20. 7 multiply 20 by 3. That is 140 by 3. Eliminate it. 3, 4 times is 12. Then 6.66%. Yes, discuss about this. There are 25 students in the school choir. 12 of them are boys and the rest are girls. So first we need to calculate the rest are, that is girls. And now convert it into percentage. Let's check how can we calculate it. So total number of students are 25. Out of which boys are 12. So we need to calculate the number of girls. So number of girls is total students subtracting number of boys. Total student is 25 and number of boys is 12. 25 minus 12 is 30. So total number of girls is 30. Now convert this into percentage. Percentage is value upon total value into 100. Value is 13 and total value is 25 and multiply by 100. In table of 25, how many times 100 comes? 4. So 13 multiply 4 is 52%. So number of girls is 52%. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all get some idea about percentage, and if you guys have any problem, any query related to percentage or any other topic, you can comment down below. We will discuss all your queries. Thank you. Have a nice day.